वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू सॉल्व एसक्यूएल प्रॉब्लम्स। फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स आई विल बी मेकिंग वीडियोस ऑन solving different kind of SQL problems from easy level to medium level to hard level. So this is the LeetCode SQL problem data set. So there are several kind of problems you can see. Number 175, combine two tables. 176, second highest salary. 177, and its highest salary, which are of medium level of difficulties. Combine two tables is of easy level of difficulty. Rank scores of medium level of difficulty. Consecutive numbers, medium level of difficulties. Employees earning more than their managers, easy level of difficulty. Like that, there are many SQL problems which we will solve. I will leave premium problems because I don't have a premium account. So I will be solving the trial version, all the SQL problems which are available for free, to practice for free. So let's start solving it. And before we proceed ahead, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and like my videos. अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ अभी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और वीडियोस को लाइक कर दीजिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। I'm going to solve this problem, combine two tables. Let me click on this. Just wait for a few minutes. So this is my code. This is the left table, combine two tables, easy level of difficulty is SQL schema. Table name is person name, person table. There are several columns in this table. Person ID, which is of integer type. Last name, varchar type. First name, varchar type. Person ID is the primary key for this table. This table contains information about the ID of some persons and their first and last names. Then we have table address, where we have address ID as integer type, person ID as integer type, city as varchar type, state as varchar type. Address ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains information about the city and state of one person with ID equal to person ID. So person ID is the primary key for person table and it is foreign key for the address table. Write a solution to report the first name, last name, city and state of each person in the persons table. If the address of a person ID is not present in the address table, report null instead. Return the result table in any order. Result format is in the following option. Example, person table you can have, address table you can see, output we need in this format. The explanation, there is no address in the address table for the person ID equal to 1, so we return null in the city. So Alan Wang, city is null, state is null. Because Alan Wang is, as you can see, Alan Wang is person ID 1 and person ID 1 is not available in the address table. Only person IDs 2 and 3 is available. You can see from the address table. Now let's just solve it. So I will write my SQL code. Select first name, comma, last name, comma, city, comma, state from person table as P, left join, address table A on P dot person ID equal to A dot person ID. So in the table we have 1 and 2 as a person ID, so 1 will be returned Alan Wang, Alice Bob will also get returned in the output. Now let me run it. Let's see what is the output we get. It is accepted. Output is this. Accepted output is also same. We'll submit it. So there you go, we got the correct solution. So that's how we solved our first SQL problem, combine two tables. Now I'm going to solve another SQL problem, which is second highest salary. Open it. Now we have here second highest salary. This table name is employee, column name are ID and salary. ID is of integer type, salary is also of integer type. ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Write the solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. Return null instead. Employee table has ID 1 to 3, salary 100, 200, 300. Second highest salary is 200. Now let us solve it. I'll use the subquery here. How? Let me see. Select max of salary as second highest salary from employee table where salary is less than. Select max of salary from employee table. So here what we are doing is we are first selecting max of salary from employee table, that is the first highest salary in the subquery, and then we are selecting, creating a condition salary is less than second highest salary. So all the salaries which are less than second highest salary, first highest salary will get returned. So that is second highest salary, third highest salary, fourth highest salary. Now from that one I want maximum salary which will become the second highest salary. Now let me submit it. Let me run. First let me run it. So it is accepted. Output, as you can see, second highest salary. I can click on run, submit. It is accepted, as you can see. Now let me solve another problem. Nth highest salary. So in this table we have employee. Let me remove all of them. So table is employee, column name is ID and salary. ID is integer type, salary is integer type. Same question, we want the nth highest salary. Write a solution to find the nth highest salary from the employee table. If there is no nth highest salary, return null. In this table we want second highest salary, nth highest salary, n equals to 2, so which will be 200. Okay, so here we are going to solve by creating a function. We will create a function called create function get nth highest salary and integer, returns integer, begin set n equals to n minus 1 colon return bracket, will select distinct salary from employee, order by salary, descending, limit 1, offset n, where n is n minus 1, semicolon, then we will write n. So what I am doing is I am selecting distinct salary from employee, order by salary descending, salary order by descending, offset n minus 1. Offset n means n minus 1. Now let me write that offset m, where m is n minus 1. Or let me read one. Let me keep it as it is. Offset n, where n is n minus 1. So suppose if you want the fourth highest salary, so n equal to n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 3 rows will be skipped and the fourth row, fourth highest salary will be returned. So here I am creating a function called get nth highest salary, n integer, whatever you pass, 4, 3, 2, returns integer. Begin, set, return, end. Now I am running it, this query. Let us see what will happen. So it is accepted. Get nth highest salary is 200. I am going to submit it now. So it is successfully, we have successfully solved this problem. Now moving to the next problem, we have rank scores. We have rank scores. In this case, we have scores table, ID and score. ID is integer type, score is decimal type. ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the score of a game. Score is a floating point value with 2 decimal places. Write a solution to find the rank of the score. The ranking should be calculated according to the following rules. The score should be ranked from the highest to the lowest. If there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. After a tie, the next ranking should be the next consecutive integer value. In other words, there should be no holes between the ranks. Return the result table order by score in descending order. So first I will solve it using the self join, and then I will solve it using window function. So select score, or I can say s dot score, comma, bracket open, select count of distinct score from scores s1, where s1 dot score greater than or equal to s dot score as rank from scores s order by rank. So let me see, this is using self join we have used. So I am selecting distinct count of score from scores s1, where s1 dot score greater than or equal to s dot score as rank from scores s order by rank, or you can say order by s dot score descending. Let me run it. It is accepted. Let me submit it. Accepted. Now I will solve the same problem using window function. So here we have select s dot score We want dense rank. Let me use MySQL. Dense rank over order by score descending. Select score, comma this rank as rank from scores order by rank order by rank. Let me click on run. I think I can write it as rank underscore let me use PostgreSQL only to solve this problem. Accepted. So we have solved this problem using both ranking function and analytic window functions as well as self join. Now the next question is consecutive numbers. This is the last problem which we are going to solve. So here we have logs table where id is the integer type number and number num is varchar type. Id is the primary key for this table. Find all numbers that appear at least 3 times consecutively. The input table is id and num. All numbers that appear at least 3 times consecutively. So here you can see 1 appears 3 times, 2 appears 1 time, 1 again appears 1 time, 2 again appears 2 times. So our output should be 1 1 1, id should be 1 2 3. So consecutive numbers should be 1 3 times. So here we write select L1 dot number as consecutive nums from logs L1 join logs L2 on L1 dot number equal to L2 dot number and L1 dot id equals to let's say L2 dot id equals to L1 dot id plus 1. Similarly, we will join it with logs L3 on L3 dot on L1 dot number equals to L3 dot number and L3 dot id will be equals to L1 dot id plus 2. Okay, let me see the output. So it is correct. We want consecutive numbers as 1. You have to make C as capital, we have already, and also as capital. Now we're going to submit it. Some issue, consecutive numbers. Expected also I have kept consecutive numbers. Just leave it. Here in the output you can see both are same. Consecutive numbers I have written 1, and here output is 1, and we wanted only 1 as the output, so this is correct. So now that's all for today's video. In the next video we are going to solve some more SQL problems, starting from employees earning more than their managers, duplicate emails, customers who never order. 3 easy problems. In this video we have solved 4 medium level of problems, and so that's all for today's video. And 1 easy level of problems we solved, combine 2 tables. That's all for today's video. In the next video we're going to solve more difficult or more SQL problems from LeetCode. Till then, happy learning, enjoy, all the best, and please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. अगर वीडियोस को चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और वीडियोस को लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.